So I'm continuing my quest to give people recommendations that are deserving of having them and free those from LinkedIn, because quite frankly, I don't think that recommendations should be contained just to LinkedIn. So today I'm going to tell you about Alan Connect. I met Alan originally through Twitter because he runs Social Chat, which is a pretty popular Twitter chat, and we just continue to have conversations, run into him every week. Started realizing that we have a lot of the same thoughts, although what I really like about Alan is he's very deeply knowledgeable about search engine optimization, social media, marketing in general. And so it's nice to have a peer conversation with somebody that pushes you a little bit on different subjects. And Alan definitely has that knowledge. And we've had a lot of great conversations. Equally important is that Alan just is a giving person, and he's great with building communities. So he really understands about giving back and amplifying others, and that he's just a really nice guy. And so I can't speak highly enough about Alan, and I think that you should connect with him. That's why I'm doing this recommendation. I encourage you to look him up on Social Chat, look him up on Twitter in general. He's an author. He's got a great book. And I just think you should connect with him. So Alan Connect, I'll put some information in the video so you can connect with him. Just tell him I said hi. I'm sure you will not be disappointed you connect with him. Have a great day.